Karen, where are we?
We're in Carolina Beach.
Hey, here we go.
Bon voyage.
This is our 34th facility outside of our home port. Okay. There you go.
Hi.
Thank God they give us 2 anchors
This is nice.
on every boat. And there's Cessna out there having some fun.
We got to get Piper up.
Hey, Karen, where are we?
Beautiful Wrightsville Beach. Driving through.
Nice. Yeah, this is probably the coolest town.
Look at this restaurant wall over here, all glass on the end.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty.
Hello. What a great trip.
Freedom Boat Club reviews.